Is it possible to get work from home opportunities in 2025 as a role of data analyst? So the answer is yes, you can definitely get it, but how you can get it and how you can target the companies uh, which can provide work from home opportunity. So firstly, there are a few things which you have to focus on. You have to look for the companies who are working for US clients or outside of India, because in India generally the timings for office are 9 to 5 or 10 to 7, which we generally follow. But for the US clients, like companies which are working for other countries, they usually work in flexible hours. So you can check the organization's policies first. They is it mandatory to work from office? If yes, then you can simply neglect it. But if there is any flexibility, then you can definitely go to the interviews, and then in the interviews you can discuss this that you want work from home opportunities. And this brings us to the second point, which is US clients. So mainly you can focus on the startups, because in startups there are multiple projects going on from across the globes from different companies. So you can you can target startups and ask them in the interviews like in what domain you are working, of what kind of clients you have, and then you can like discuss about the project requirement, like what are their timing, what are the client demands. So in that way you can negotiate with them, or I can say you can discuss with them about your timings. And the last thing, it depends on your team in which you are going to work on, or what will be your future team. If your team is completely working from office, then you have to go to office. But you can get to know about your team, how they are working, what are the mode they are following on. So in this way you can discuss it, and you can, as I said, you can target the companies which are working outside of India. You can definitely target startups because they provide a lot of flexibility in terms of policies. Generally MNCs have the like major policies and they follow it. Like if they say it is going to be work from office, then there is no chance of work from home. But in startups you can discuss with your manager, you can discuss with your teams or HR to provide you work from home. So this is all about how you can get remote works in 2025. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or want to discuss anything, you can drop a message me on LinkedIn, or you can book a call with me, one-on-one call on TopMate. The link is in the description. Do check it out and subscribe the channel. Thank you.